Tired of unwanted texts? To date, we're unlocking the secrets to SMS opt-outs with Twilio, empowering your subscribers and keeping you compliant. First, navigate to your Twilio account and head to the Programmable SMS dashboard. This is where the magic happens. Now, create a new messaging service or select an existing one. Messaging services let you group your senders, manage features, and configure compliance settings. Once in your messaging service, click on the Compliance tab. Here you'll find options for managing opt-outs. Ensure that Advanced Opt-out is enabled. This allows Twilio to automatically handle opt-out requests from users who reply with keywords like stop, unsubscribe, or end. Twilio will automatically recognize these keywords and prevent further messages from being sent to that number through that specific messaging service. Customize the automatic reply message to confirm the unsubscription. This ensures your subscribers know their request was processed successfully. This can be found in the opt-out reply settings under the Compliance tab. For more advanced control, use Webhooks. Webhooks allow you to receive real-time notifications when a user opts out, so you can update your own database and systems, ensuring a totally seamless experience. And that's it. You've now implemented a robust opt-out solution with Twilio, respecting subscriber preferences and staying on the right side of regulations.